Welcome to the Tactical Arbitrage reverse search feature. In this video, we will help you understand the functionalities of reverse search to help you source profitable products. To get started, click Reverse Search in the left sidebar of your home page. Then, click the Find Products button in the top right corner to begin a new scan. Before starting your scan, you need to set three key options: scan type, sourcing from, and selling at. For the scan type, you have three choices. Efficient. This combines real-time and cached data for faster scans with reliable results. We'll recommend this for most use cases. Online. This pulls fresh, live data directly from supplier sites, though it can take longer to complete. Custom. This gives you the full control to fine-tune exactly how the scan runs. Next, simply choose your source region and the marketplace where you will sell. Once set, click Next Step. Unlike product search, where you input a website and category, reverse search uses specific parameters split into three distinct options: product, sellers, and Amazon. Each option allows you to enter 2 or 3 specific parameters. Let's start with the products option. Here, you can input product codes or keywords, such as product titles. Scanning specific codes. Select specific codes and type or paste your product codes into the designated field. If entering multiple codes, separate them using a comma followed by a space. You can input up to 100 product codes in this field. Once entered, click the plus sign to add them to the scan. Alternatively, you can upload a combined list of keywords via a CSV, XML, XLSX, or XLS file by clicking the Use or Upload a List. A pop-up will appear allowing you to upload your file or download a sample spreadsheet. Scanning keywords. Select keywords. Choose the appropriate Amazon category and select Keyword Search. Input your keyword or product title and click the plus sign to add it to the scan. Next is the Sellers option. This allows you to search by Amazon sellers or brands. Amazon Sellers. This allows you to scan an entire storefront. Simply enter or paste the seller ID into the field to add it. Brands. Simply type the brand name and select it from the drop-down menu to add it to the scan. Finally, the Amazon option allows you to scan categories for bestsellers, movers and shakers, and most wished products. Movers and shakers and most wanted. This process is simple. Select the option, choose the Amazon category you wish to search within, and press search. Scan bestsellers. This option is slightly different and offers 3 levels of depth. Level 1. Select a main Amazon category. Level 2. You can choose a subcategory within that main category. Level 3. You can drill down even further into a specific subcategory. Pro tip: you do not have to select all the way to level 3. You can start a scan selecting only level 1 or level 2. Once your parameters are set, you can click the Choose Websites button to define which domains you want results from. By default, all domains are included, but you can include or exclude specific ones, or create domain lists for specific scans. Additionally, click Price Adjustments to factor in discounts, cashback, gift cards, shipping costs, and taxes. The final step is setting your filters. We recommend keeping filters minimal at this stage to capture a larger set of products. You can narrow down the results later in the results page. And that is everything you need to get started with reverse search and tactical arbitrage. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy sourcing.